Welcome back. In this video, I'll be taking you through the unboxing process of the Soundcore Aerofit 2. So these are wireless earbuds by Anchor, and so I'll be taking you through the unboxing process to see what is inside the box. So let's start by opening it. And then you can shake it a bit to loosen it up. And there you go. So the first thing that you see inside the box is the quick start guide. So just the process of how you can switch on the buds as well as the touch controls and every other small important information that you might need. And then once you put that aside, you can see underneath there, you have the charging case with the buds inside. So you can just go ahead and put that on the side. And then underneath even that, there's a smaller compartment. So when you remove this top layer, you can see the smaller compartment, and here you have another guide for your safety control and all sorts of information. And then on the side you have the charging cable. So this is the charging cable right here. You can open this small box, and then this is how the charging cable looks like. It's just a small miniature charger, which is type A, USB type A to type C, so just a standard cable. And then yeah, so let's take a closer look at the buds themselves. Let's just put this back together. And so this is the charging case itself with the buds inside. So let's just remove this packaging. And here you have it, the Soundcore Aerofit 2 buds. So you can just go ahead and open the case, and there you can see they're in the color black. So there's multiple colors that are available for people to choose from, but I got mine in black. And the charging case is actually pretty nice. It's standard, premium quality. You can move this packaging underneath here, and then you can place them back like that. And so this is how they look like out of the case. So you have left and right, and this is how they look like. And so these are your Soundcore earbuds. So stick around for more videos that I'll be doing about these earbuds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.